At least the two track and field analysts believe that Jamaica's junior athletes will not miss out on potential scholarships to attend overseas colleges due to the cancellation of the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. Renata Brown reports.
In a story aired on March 23, renowned track and field coach Stephen Francis pleaded with the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, to reconsider their decision to cancel a 2020 edition of the Boys and Girls Athletics Championships in order to give student athletes an opportunity to earn scholarships.
There were probably 50, maybe 50 to 60 scholarships available for people who are leaving school this year. Yeah, and that might not be enough, but that might not sound a lot, but it's certainly more than people have coronavirus.
However, track and field coach Raymond Casey Graham, who coached for 3 years at Hampton College in the U.S., says the cancellation does little to stop athletes from earning scholarships.
Most of them now are waiting. They were waiting for their SAT scores or CAPE and CXC passes. If coaches were to wait until champs, then they would have been late indeed. And also, most of these senior students that have signed what is known as a National Letter of Intent, NLIA, for the school along with their scholarship. So the school cannot turn their back on them, that would take them.
Captain of 2010 boys champions Wilmer's Dwayne Extel, who also attended college in the U.S., agrees.
I can tell of a few student athletes now who have been in touch with coaches from overseas. Coaches have actually been here through the start of the track and field calendar. Some have been here as early as January to come and look at athletes that they want for next year and to solidify the athletes that they have in coming. I spoke to a couple of coaches who have been here, coaches from Baylor, coaches from University of Texas San Antonio, who were here for the Gibson McCook Relays. They know who they want and they have an idea of who they want for the years to come.
But what about athletes who didn't make a mark in 2019?
What can help a lot of them is their performances throughout the season. So we've had so many different development meets that they had an opportunity to run a good time, throw a good distance, make a good mark. And the data is there online to show, because we have so many avenues where you can find videos of the athletes, you can find results online. So the coaches who are recruiting these athletes can go to that for reference.
On Wednesday, Graham and Extel addressed how Jamaican athletes may see less scholarships due to a new NCAA rule in the United States. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.